This is my little sister, Izzy. Yes, she has permanent marker on her face, and no, she cannot get it off. She's tried everything. She came over in the afternoon to hang out, and she brought with her some of her drawings to show me. They were these adorable characters inspired by a pineapple duck named Frankie. As soon as she showed them to me, I just thought they were so cute, and I had the idea to help her turn one of them into a toy. The first thing we did was pick which character we were going to make, and then we looked at the shapes and kind of drew a rough map of what pieces we would need to cut from the fabric. It looks something like this. Then I drew the same shapes again, but this time to scale so that we could trace them onto the fabric. Of course, these are Izzy's characters, so I got her approval at every step.
What do you think about this size for the strawberry?
Yeah.
Is that a good start?
Yeah. Okay.
Then we cut the paper template, traced it onto the fabric, and cut out the pattern. And of course, I was getting approval on things like which fabric to use from the boss herself. Sitting down at the sewing machine with her was very sweet. When I was a kid, I had some adults in my life that were very patient and kind, and they took the time to show me how to sew, so it felt really good passing it on, and I can't wait to see what she makes once she gets the hang of it. We sacrificed a pillow for this. Hopefully no one misses it, but there's a couple of projects I have in mind that I can use this stuffing for, so it's going to go to good use. Plus, Izzy was thrilled when I told her that she could destroy it. We had to include a secret message that would be stitched into the toy. And we took a break for snacks and Mario Kart. And no, I don't let her win because she's my little sister. Sorry, Izzy. Izzy had to go home before we could finish, so I just spent the rest of the afternoon working on the details and putting all of the pieces together. Let me know what character you think we should make next. If anyone has any stuffed animal patterns that we might be able to modify, I think that could be really fun. I really love how this turned out. I think it's very cute, and I had so much fun collaborating with my little sister.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you like this video, you should subscribe. Anyway, see you next week. Bye!